Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix GTA 5 ERR-GFX-D3D-init error. So the first thing what you need to do here is to make sure that your operating system and your GPU drivers are fully updated. And to do so, to check it, you just need to on search write check for updates, and then you need to press this button, and if there is an update for you that you need to download and install it, please do so. Restart your computer, and then you need to check if the problem is solved or not. And if the problem persists, you need to do the same thing with your GPU drivers. Of course, depending on what GPU you're using, NVIDIA or AMD, there is separate apps to that. I'm using AMD and NVIDIA, and there is an app that is called GeForce Experience. You can download completely for free from official NVIDIA website. And then what you need to do here is to press check for updates. And if there is an update for you, you need to download and install it. And then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem still is, then you need to open up launcher where you got the game. For me, it's Steam, but on Epic Games and on Rockstar Games, super similar to as well, what I will show you. You just need to right click on it, go to properties, then you need to go to installed files and verify integrity of the game files. So maybe you have some corrupted game files that need to be fixed. It will take you a couple of minutes, and after that you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you need to here press browse, and then on this folder you need to scroll down until you see GTA 5. Right click on it, go to properties, compatibility, make sure to run this program in compatibility mode 4 and select Windows 8. If it's not working, then try Windows 7 and then run this program as administrator. And also make sure to click this button and do change settings for all users, and do the same here, right? And after that, if the problem persists, another thing that you need to do here, you need to make sure that your DirectX version is the latest one, and C++ Redis also latest as well. And to check it, you need to go to installed apps, and here you need to just write C++. And if your Microsoft Visual C++ is basically from 250 to 222, you're good to go. But if it's not, then you need to go to the browser, and then you just need to write C++ distributable, and then you need to go to Microsoft official page, scroll down and download these two files and install to your computer. Same thing with your DirectX, you just need to write DirectX 12 here and click it here and install, download and install the latest version here. And if for some reason this is not working for you, the last thing that you can do here, and with this definitely should work, you need to go to view advanced system settings. Then you should see this little window here, and then you need to be on advanced here, and then under the performance you should press on settings, and then on advanced again. Make sure to press on change here, and then on here make sure this button is ticked off, and then select custom size here. And here what you need to do here is to write 8192 with both here, right? And that's pretty much it what you need to do here. Apply the changes, and after that your problem should be fixed, right? So that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.